vehicle, the greater the need for gap insurance. The second situation that can affect the need for gap is your APR. Now, while lower APRs offer a decreased need for gap, understand that higher APRs offer a significantly increased need for gap insurance. The reason being that with high APRs, more and more money each month is going towards the finance charges, meaning less and less money each month is going towards the principal balance. If you total the vehicle, chances are you're gonna owe more money on it than it's worth. Another situation that can affect the need for gap insurance is money down. Now, if you're putting $10,000 down on a $20,000 vehicle, chances are you don't need gap insurance. However, if you're placing $0 down or very little money down, say just enough to cover your taxes or your fees, then you're at an increased need for gap because you are financing the full value of the vehicle. A vehicle that's going to depreciate the minute you drive it off the lot. Meaning if you total that vehicle, chances are you're gonna owe more money on it than it's worth. Now the fourth and